This is the Zillion FG Gold 1050-watt ATX 3.1 sold by Superflower. With a current MSRP of $160 US, it is a fully modular ATX 3.1 power supply with an additional hybrid fan mode allowing passive operation for low loads. We tested one sample of this power supply and it stopped functioning before we could complete our tests, so we cannot recommend it. For more information on the partial results and failures of the unit, see the product page on the LTT Labs website. The power supply comes in sturdy packaging and measures 150 by 86 by 140 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 170 millimeters. The Zillion FG Gold 1050 watt is accompanied by the accessories as shown, and supported by a 5-year warranty. The warranty period is below average for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of excellent quality. They have plastic insulation and are really flexible. They should cause no problems when building and cable managing your computer. The provided cable set includes a single 12-volt 2x6 cable, allowing it to power all types of high-wattage GPUs. LTT Labs conducted all of the following tests at an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The full test suite, including tests at extended temperature ranges, is available on the Labs website linked in the description. But before we get to the test results, here's a message from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. We've been using their secure high-speed VPN for years, and you can too. Get a special discount by going to pia.com/PSU circuit. The Zillion FG Gold 1050 watt carries an 80+ gold rating, and we have measured 92% efficiency at 50% of its maximum rated load. That is higher than power supplies in a similar class. Throughout the full rated output power range of 1050 watt, there is a 0.168 voltage drop on the 12-volt rail, inside of ATX specifications and similar to other power supplies we've tested. The rest of the output rails meet ATX specifications. This performance is as expected and will support a variety of component configurations. The peak-to-peak signal ripple of the fully loaded power supply's 12-volt rail was high at 51 millivolts, while the 5-volt and 3.3-volt rails had signal ripple of 26 millivolts and 29 millivolts respectively. Modern power supplies typically have no issues complying with ATX ripple specifications, but this unit will be slightly less reliable for high-performance components and cause more work for the VRMs. We test a power supply's resilience to momentary power dropouts and ripples using our brownout test that interrupts the input power for a few milliseconds. This allows us to measure how long of a power dropout the sample can sustain without interrupting the output power. The Zillion FG Gold 1050 watt was measured to withstand a 17 millisecond dropout at full rated load for both 115 volt and 230 volt inputs. This is high and is a good option if power reliability is an issue. The Excursion test momentarily applies up to 200% of the rated load to test a power supply's ability to support components that may temporarily require more than the rated current. The Zillion FG Gold 1050 watt withstood a subset of the Excursions but failed with others. It is compatible with most systems but may struggle with high-end hardware connected. We cannot recommend the Zillion FG Gold 1050 watt ATX 3.1 because of its failures while testing the protections. For the full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.